Dabena MPP for Premier because
31st January.
31st January.
This month, yeah.
This month, 31st. And then first, until 30 days.
Patrol.
Right. Abuja Muntiemi. There is a certain shift to be, and it's an ABSC. Listen to this prophecy very well. Concerning MPP, flag bearership, there is a certain shift to be in the realm of the spirit. Na Gabwa, na Mimi Hun Menikos, you also say, can Agyapong dear leading no? Dear lady, Dr. Bawumiano. As we are speaking right now, no, it has increased and it has doubled. Until the whole win is a CIA, Ken or Agyapong. One they believe the Omdomako 2028, presidential win. And yes, I'm getting Anna by next year, so no. Nidi be koto krum baby, I mean, the country ebasa. Until on Agyapong, whatever. This is what I'm seeing. In fact, this is what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is what I'm seeing. And I don't take anything from anyone to prophesy. That is me. This is the first prophecy that I'm giving about politics.
The year 2026.
Yes. This is the first prophecy I'm giving. This is what I'm saying. The gap has even increased for Agyapong. And he has won in advance. Until this time, until I'm saying there is a shift. Can you not gab no? Not gab no? Eben. One name. Bawumia.
Yes.
Doctor.
Vice President.
Vice President. One name gab no? Not eben. Not banua winning. Banne ben. But as I say, the number has been increased for Ken on Agyapong. I'm telling you so, Penny.
And I was one winning at the team.
One winning at the team. Into onobe we are answer na Brian. Onobe we are na Dr. Abba. Dr.
Mahmoud
Bawumia Abba. Obe we answer na Brian Abba. Answer na me pay.
Dr. Dichum.
Dr. Dichum Abba. Na the way you so ye Agyapong.
Say ye share na.
Yeah.
Eye Orakere Agyapong.
Yes.
And son of Vice President Abba. And son of Dr. Brian Abba. Now Dr. Educhum Abba. And son of Mr. Agyapong.
Abba.
Okay.
But Gabono, the real check credit and said the but the Gabono is being increased for Ken or Agyapong.
Okay.
And the thing cannot change.
Na wade faso kase next year ni dibeko to klubie.
Yes, the dibeko to klubie. You know make one say later. But the dibeko to klubie is obvious. To klubie next year. Next year a year 2027. The dibeko to klubie mu. Ba obe yare bia. Obe na to hospital abrochi. Obe yare bi serious. But the dibeko to klubie mu. I don't know say yare ni Yakupon so many Yakota. I don't know. That one no. I cannot conclude that one. I don't want to give raw and wrong prophecy on something that is not clear about me.
My God.
Because maybe message before I comes out to say something is being written in the bold letters. Ken or Agyapong. If you wish, I can give the figure.
Daddy.
So, Benny,
Daddy.
If the prophet speaks, that's the final.
Yes.
And I'm not junior prophet. I'm not small prophet.
The global prophet.
I'm the global prophet.
Yes.
I've spoken and it shall surely come to pass. Nothing can change it. In the name of Lord Jesus Christ, the Son of living God. God bless you.